Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create Instagram highlight without posting a story. Okay, first things first, open your Instagram app on your phone and then you want to go to your profile page. Now, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. The next step is to open the settings. Then, privacy settings. Select story and then you need to click on the first option right here, which is hide story from. Now, you will have to hide the story from your Instagram followers. So, if you have a lot of followers, this can be a little time consuming process. But there isn't any other way that you can do this for now. So, just hide the story from all of your followers, and when you do that, go back to the main page and open the Instagram camera. Now, you need to upload your story. Don't worry, because no one will be able to see your Instagram story because we have hidden it from all of the followers of yours. When we upload the story, we will have to wait 24 hours until the story expires. After the 24 hours, open your Instagram profile, click on the three lines one more time, and now tap on the archive button. If you don't see the stories archive, change it by clicking here. When you open the stories, tap on the story which you want to add to the highlight. Click on highlight right here and then select where you want to put your story. And when you add the story to the highlight, just go back to the story settings and unhide the story from everyone so that everyone will be able to see your story in the future and also your highlight on your profile. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now create Instagram highlight without posting story. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.